How to update your profile of Martcost account. Search Martcost keywords on Google search engine. Click here and open Martcost.com official website. Click here on the login button for the Access Customer Control panel. Now fill your login form here. First, enter your username or email address. Second, enter your password. And check I am not robot. After then click on login button. Finally your login process has been successfully completed, and you can shopping now and learn now easily. Click here, view profile or open my account menu and click here my profile button. After then update your profile page. Click on right corner setting icon and click edit profile button. Change your profile hair in your own way and after then click on update button. Finally your profile page has been successfully updated. After then you can also log out. Join now, Digital Education Martcost.com. Go to store, www.martcost.com. And contact now, services@martcost.com.